Who there has ever tasted new food? Okay, this is how you're gonna let us know what we need to put on our menu, okay?
And what grade are you in?
I go to Wakefield Forest Elementary School and I'm in 5th grade.
I went to Wakefield Forest. Yeah. Okay. What's your most favorite part about today so far?
I love that the hotel is super fancy, and probably my favorite food is the smoothie because that's really good. It's extremely fruity and it's just so creamy and delicious.
I just tried the turkey gyros, and I really like the dish, and I would love to see this on my school.
And what's your most favorite food you've tried today so far?
The chicken wings.
The taco.
The Korean drumsticks.
Yeah, me too. My favorite today was the tortellini.
Yeah, the chicken tikka masala. I think it's amazing.
Yeah, what did you specifically like about it?
I think it has a lot of spices in it, and I think that's what makes it better and it tastes good.
Okay, what are you guys eating right now?
The Ria tacos. The texture is perfect and I really like the flavor. I like the texture and the onions definitely add the crunch to it. That makes it great. And the meat's really good too.
We're eating a grilled cheese with homemade tomato sauce.
How do you guys like it so far?
It's so good.
It's pretty good.
Why do you guys think it's important to have student voice when it comes to food and nutrition?
So we can have a balanced diet and so we can have fun. We can do the things that we want and we get the energy we need to do the things that we can do.
You get the point of view of students and just you make sure everybody's included.
Because the students are the ones that eat the food, and I think we should really have a voice in that because, I mean, we eat it. So, yeah.
I agree.
Sometimes like their culture or religion won't let them eat that certain type, and like sometimes they'll start like starving. But if they had the voice, they could like tell the school, and then the school can make like special arrangements for them to get the food they need.